In this video, I introduce you to PromeAI, an AI-driven platform that can create stunning art, images, graphics, videos, and animations. It's a powerful tool suitable for architects, interior designers, product designers, game designers, and anyone interested in creative design. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through some of its standout features, including its recent additions such as image-to-video and text-to-video. To start, let's explore the features available on this platform. When you first use it, you will notice how user-friendly it is. It is easy to navigate, making it accessible to everyone. In the image generation category, one of the standout features is sketch rendering. With this, you can turn your photos or line drawings into beautiful visual art. One thing I really like about this platform is how it can inspire you. Looking at the amazing creations is just so motivating and enjoyable. You can explore featured, trending, and the latest design created by talented individuals using the platform, which provides a wealth of ideas and suggestions. You can also filter your search by categories like architecture, girl, anime, logo, and more. Also, when you click on any of the creations, you can remix it to create your own unique designs with plenty of customizations options. Within the image generation category, we also have AI image generation, which we'll experiment with shortly. This feature allows you to transform text into astonishing AI-generated images, illustrations, and paintings. Next up is Creative Fusion, which enables you to blend the structural creativity of your sketch with artistic styles, resulting in one-of-a-kind artwork. You will also find the image variation option, which lets you generate images with different styles, layouts, and perspectives. Photo to sketch is another useful feature where you can easily convert your photos into line drawings. One of the standout features is background diffusion, which can automatically remove backgrounds, enabling you to choose from a variety of templates or add your own unique background. The AI Supermodel feature can generate models and backgrounds for your chosen products. Another interesting feature is Text Effect, which offers a library of text styles to choose from or allows you to upload your text and customize it with various options. And like most AI tools, it may take a few tries to find the perfect match for your ideas, but the results can be truly impressive. In addition to these features, you have the flexibility to edit and enhance the images you create. You can erase and replace elements, resize, adjust dimensions, and fine-tune lighting and brightness to achieve your desired outcome. Let's dive into one of the features in this category. For instance, let's explore the AI image generation. Simply input your prompt. I typed here a magnificent Arabian horse with a glossy chestnut coat gracefully galloping across a sunlit meadow. Choose your desired image size and click Generate. The outcome is really amazing with lots of fine details that match what I asked for. I tried different versions of the image and got equally fantastic results. You can further enhance your images by trying the sketch rendering feature, experimenting with different filters and modes. Here's a natural version and here's a cartoon one. I also played around with different color options, producing a diverse set of beautiful images. Now, let's explore the video category, where you will find image-to-video and text-to-video options. Let's test the image-to-video feature with our majestic Arabian horse image. Simply upload the image, choose your desired motion. I'll leave it on the default high motion for now and hit Generate. The platform generates a video version that beautifully captures the essence of the image, and you can even choose to slow it down for added effect. The text-to-video is another great feature in the video category. It allows you to transform a simple text prompt into a captivating video. Just enter your text, choose the style, scale, and motion, and within seconds, you'll have a captivating video that brings your imagination to life. So there you have it, a quick glimpse of what PromeAI can do. I strongly encourage you to give it a try yourself. It's a fun and a creative tool that can spark your imagination and bring your ideas to life. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.